We are on day 8 of this hold, and we are nearly at the TP. So this has been a very long, well, not really, 8 days. Longer than usual hold for my trades, but we've got this last little bit to go, and then we've hit a 1 to 10. Hopefully this hits London Open, because Germany 40 seems to get a big spike on London Open. Could go either direction, but still holding to the TP regardless. So if we go on the daily time frame just to review the trade that we've done here. We had a daily breaking structure here, so price pulled down into reversal POIs, which we identified on the 30-minute time frame, and we literally got in right down here. And one thing that I used to struggle with was when price swings. So when price come up here and then started to move like this, if I wasn't looking at the daily time frame, I would be panicking through this stage right here, and probably back in the day would have closed early or something like that. But if you go to the higher time frame and actually see what's going on, where price was bouncing up and down was this section right here, and on the daily, that's nothing. I think that's where some traders go wrong and they don't look at the bigger picture. Price was that's just normal price action on the daily. We had a little pullback and then pushed up. So that's what helps me be able to hold onto these trades, is knowing, okay, what phase are we in on the higher time frame, and is this just a pullback to then push higher, which, depending on what phase I'm trading, that is usually the case. So if you look at what I'm going to be looking at, these are now going to be our reversal POIs after it breaks structure. Another thing I want to make sure is, so when price breaks structure and it closes above, it makes the breaking structure, you don't want to be buying up into these bits because you don't actually know when it's going to reverse. We're actually getting into new all-time highs. So once price pushes past here, you don't know how far it's going to go before it pulls back. So if we just look at these as an example, price closed and then reversed. Price closed, then reversed. Price closed and then had a couple more days and then reversed. So once we get a candle closure above this area, I'm not going to be looking to buy. I'm waiting for that pullback. But price might push up and then come back down and not close above it. And if that's the case, then I'll be looking for buys still, because the candle closure hasn't occurred. So if you do not get that candle closure today, to be honest, because it's Friday, I'll probably be waiting to see what price looks like next week, and then we'll go from there. But I'm actually away from today. This is the last video I'm going to be making, and then all my daily analysis videos are going to be posts. So I'll just do a post at 8 a.m. on my YouTube channel. So look out for that. I'm going to be away. I'll have my laptop, but I don't have my recording set up with me. So I'm just going to be doing posts. But yeah, hopefully price hits the TP today. If it does, I'll make a post about it. And yeah, that's it for Germany 40. And I will see you next week with updates. And if it hits TP today, I'll do a post.